Hello students, let's take another example of PDA design. Now I am going to take one language, that is L is equal to WCWR, where W belongs to A comma B ka star. Now what does this mean? What is this language? What is WR here? Here WR means reverse of W. So whatever you have written here, everything will get reversed and W will be a combination of A comma B. So suppose I have written A B B A B. It means suppose this is my W. So after C I'll have exactly the reverse one, B A B B A. That is WR. You already know this thing in terms of palindrome. So, how to write rules for palindromes? So let's take one example, that how to write this thing. I have written rules here. What I'll do, since W can have A comma B star, means W can be A or W can be B. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start at the start, my stack is empty, but the thing is, in input tape I can start with A or I can start with B, because W is A comma B ka star. Hence I am going to utilize both things. In Q0, if I'll have A and my stack is Z0, what I'll do, I'll use Q1 A Z0. I have made change into my state and I have inserted or pushed A into my stack. Similarly, might be possible that instead of A, my string gets started with B. So what I'll do the same thing, BZ0. Now, what will happen once one element got inserted into the stack, that can be either A or B. So what we need to do, we need to perform insertion until and unless we do not got C, because C is the marker which tells us that after C, what we need to do, we need to reverse it. So how to solve this thing? What we'll do, once I'll insert this W into my stack, so top of the stack will be B, and once I got this marker C, I know that whatever is coming, that is also in my top. So after every element I'll delete one element from top, and similarly I'll get at the end my stack is empty and my string is empty. So before C, what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert everything whatever coming. So I have used this A, B, B, A, B, B. All four possible combination, which says at the start might be possible that there is A into my stack or there is B into my stack. So once A will come, everything get inserted. Otherwise, what I can have B also, which can arrive, and both situations, either A in stack or B in stack, I am going to insert. Now here we got no change, because what I want, that once C get into my input tape, I don't want to perform any insertion or deletion, because if I'll perform any insertion or deletion, the number of values will get reduced with respect to more which is coming. Hence, I don't want to make any change into my stack. The only thing which I want to do, to identify that yes, after this C, I should move for deletion or pop operation. So what I have done, that in Q1, if I got C and top pointer of stack is pointing either A or B, I am going to make no change. The only change is Q2, which tells us that now deletion will get started. So for deletion, once again, we have only two rules. We do not have rule Q2AB or Q2BA. The reason that if top pointer is B and input pointer is A, it means it's not a palindrome. Similarly, for next one also, palindrome will be only if, once again, if my stack top is B and current input is B, then only we can say that this is a palindrome. Hence, we have used Q2AA, Q2 null, Q2BB, Q2 null, and finally, at the end, if everything get deleted from my input and stack, I'll say that I reached into the final state. So in this manner, we design all set of rules for the language WCWR. Now, the question comes that what will happen if this mid marker is not given? It means if I have the language WWR, can we process this language or can we design push-down automata for this language? Because it again says it is a palindrome, which means if I have A, B, B, A, this is a palindrome which says that for first A, B, if I'll take the letter part, I can delete this, and I'll achieve this thing. This is a pure palindrome. So, can we design PDA for this thing? We will discuss in our next lecture.